Look at that. Oh, it's two! Look at the other one! Yo, you saw the other one just leave? It was two of them. Oh, that was great. Look at, oh, he bounced.
They got hawks out here, man.
Yo, but do you see the other one bounce?
Crazy.
It was over there somewhere. They had team. You saw like this, so you can see it. I don't know if you can see it.
I'm not drinking this hot ass first.
Look, it's looking at something though. Yo, this bird is hot. Look at his feet. I want to see him fly. You heard the other one? I want to zoom. You see him? There's two of them out here right now. There's another one. Oh, there you go. Oh, he bounced. Where's he going? Oh, he tried to get a pigeon. Oh, that was hot. Yo, he went to get a pigeon. Look at the other one. Oh, that was hot. That was hot. They watch it. Oh, he killed it. Yo, it's over. It's over. Yo, my man tried to kill a pigeon. Look at him. My man trying to kill a pigeon. See the hawk? He's trying to kill a pigeon. Yo, the other one is somewhere over there. Look at it in the tree up there. Look, it's on the floor. It'll come and get me. Nah, right? For it could come and get me and rip my arm off. Uh-oh. Look at it. Oh! Yo, that man is crazy. Oh, man. That man take my arm off. It's hot, though, that you can really look at him. The other one's up there. Yo, you saw it coming for the pigeon, though? Yeah. It was like, oh, there they go. Let me kill him. Yeah, I want him to go away, though. I want him to fly one more time. Look, my man climbing the tree. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that man climbing the tree. See him? And he blends in crazy. Oh. Oh, look at the other one.
Oh, got a hard
Two of them.
I caught that shit hard.
You caught it? Yo, that was crazy.
You know I'm hype.
That was hot.
You know I'm hype, boy.
Yo.